that are out there now. So, showers and storms are possible during the game. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s at kickoff, and by halftime, just barely still around 70 degrees, ready to fall into the 60s. Then the rain is going to move out, and your Saturday looks pretty nice, which is great news for the Buckeyes. The Buckeyes take on or host Western Michigan at the Shoe at 7:30 on Saturday. Now, here's the thing about that. This front is bringing in some much cooler air. So by 7 o'clock, we're only in the mid-60s, and we'll fall into the 50s during the game. It'll be breezy, and you'll probably want a jacket while you're sitting in the stands, especially if you're in one of the upper decks at the Shoe. In the meantime, the Crew simultaneously hosts Seattle at Lower.com Field tomorrow evening at 7:30. Same thing. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s, falling into the 50s. Just be prepared when you're headed out there. Now, tonight's storms are moving through fairly quickly, but they're using a lot of the warm air that's here in eastern Ohio. It's clashing with the front as it comes through, and so we're getting some pretty good storms out there at the moment. Storm just in London right now may develop a little bit of hail, and you've got another one that's in parts of Delaware County out near Sunbury and Galloway. That's on its way, Galena, sorry, that's on its way into the Johnstown area and up into Mount Vernon and Knox County. A little more of that off to the east, just east of Newark. You can see some of that there. Getting into a little bit of Muskingum County and Coshocton counties. Logan getting a pretty good downpour as we speak. Most of these have some gusty winds with them, so you may have some of those issues. You can actually see on Tower Cam the storm off in the east. Well, that's interesting. So it appears we've lost data from the airport, and so a couple of our graphics have been missing that Columbus data, so we'll see what happens. But the temperatures are falling pretty quickly. See, it's missing there as well. But that's part of where a storm came through a little while ago. We'll have to check on that. 83 in Logan. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Zanesville still at 87. But look at this, how quickly it falls into the 70s behind that front. This is all going to move to the east pretty quickly. So as we go through the next few hours, scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible, and then that will begin to let up. 53 for the overnight low tonight. We'll do some clearing by sunrise, and it will remain breezy. Look at this breeze coming out of the northwest tomorrow. We're going to have plenty of sunshine for your Saturday, and again on Sunday. Brand new thunderstorm warning just popping in right now for Franklin County. That's that storm that was out there in the London area. So this is looking ahead to that. So be prepared. You may find that you've got some strong, heavy rain moving in from Madison County into Franklin County in the next few minutes. So be prepared for some of that. It's going to take it about another 30 or 40 minutes to make its way through here. In the meantime, Saturday, a high near 70 degrees. We're going to find that that continues to be a cool weekend. Sunshine on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we start a warming trend again. But once